The Forest Cleanup Crew, protecting nature and helping others. In a big forest, there was a kind girl named Maya. Maya loved nature and wanted to keep it safe. One day, she saw lots of trash in the forest. It made her sad to see the animals and plants getting hurt. Maya decided to form a group called the Forest Cleanup Crew to help. The crew was made up of Maya's friends and other people who cared about nature. They wore gloves, brought trash bags, and were very excited to clean up the forest. They wanted to make it beautiful again. On their first cleanup day, they did a great job. The crew worked hard, picked up trash, and made sure the forest was safe. Maya's friends were amazed at how much they could do. They felt happy when they saw all the trash bags they filled. More people joined the forest cleanup crew after hearing about their work. Families, students, and businesses all wanted to help protect the forest. They became a strong community that cared about nature. During one cleanup day, Maya saw animals struggling because of the trash. Birds were getting stuck, and small animals were getting sick from eating litter. Maya wanted to help them too. She knew they needed a voice. Maya and the crew decided to do more. They talked to animal organizations and learned about the animals in the forest. They made houses for birds, built shelters, and made feeding areas. They wanted to help the animals live better lives. As time passed, the forest became healthy and full of life again. Maya and the crew protected the environment and became friends with the animals. People noticed the work of the Forest Cleanup Crew. They praised them for their hard work. Maya and her friends were invited to schools and events to share their story and inspire others. The end.